Boxed mac and cheese is a blank canvas. Most people stop at the powder packet. Today, I'm building 5 bowls that take a $2 box and turn it into something worth firing up the smoker for. Smoked, grilled, all of it. Let's get at it. Here's what we're making. A Brinner Classic with homemade andouille and a fried egg. A soy-lime grilled tofu bowl that'll surprise you. Korean Smokehouse with gochujang maple. Flamin Hot Loaded with smoked chuck burnt ends. And a buffalo chicken closer with cold smoked blue cheese. 5 builds, all from the same blue box. Let's start with the Brinner Classic. Here's what we're working with. 2 boxes of Kraft mac and cheese, butter and milk, as per the instructions. Smoked andouille. Now this is the same batch from my sausage video. If you'd like to see how to make it, I'll put a link up here in the corner. But homemade andouille sausage, egg, smoked paprika, green onions. That's it. Super easy. The exact amounts you can find on the website for the recipe, and it feeds 4. 2 boxes of Kraft, made straight from the package. Nothing fancy. Butter, milk, powder packet, done. The upgrade starts here. Diced andouille into a hot skillet, medium-high. Let it go until the edge is crisp. Link to the full sausage video again is in the description. Eggs in a separate pan. Keep those yolks runny. That's the sauce. Andouille and a teaspoon of smoked paprika folded right into the warm mac. The fat from the sausage seasons the cheese sauce as it comes together. Portion it out. Fried egg right on top. Green onions across to finish. That yolk breaks and it's breakfast for dinner, no question. Smoked sausage, runny egg, boxed mac that just got promoted. Now let's take this somewhere completely different. Tofu, already pressed straight from the fridge. Mushroom soy sauce, fresh lime, and ginger for the marinade. Jalapeno brine for the cheese sauce. Nutritional yeast for the finish. Tofu into a marinade of mushroom soy sauce, fresh lime juice, ginger. 15 minutes, no lesson, no lecture. Onto a hot oil grate. 4 minutes aside. You want char. Reserve a few whole strips for garnish, cube the rest. More boxes of Kraft. This time, jalapeno brine goes straight into the cheese sauce. Tang, acid, heat, all 3. Fold in the cubed tofu. Portion it out. Whole grilled strip on top. Dust with nutritional dust for that umami punch. Crispy edges, lime bite. Jalapeno brine cutting through the cheese. Tofu earned its spot. Now let's go to Seoul. Here's what we're working with. Again, Kraft mac and cheese, butter, milk according to the package, Korean smoked pork belly, kimchi, some gochujang paste, and maple syrup for the drizzle. Gochujang and maple syrup, whisked smooth, sweet heat, keeps the Brinner thread alive. Korean smoked pork belly into a hot skillet. Sear it until those edges go crispy. 3 ounces per bowl keeps it balanced, not greasy. Chopped and drained kimchi warm through, 2 minutes. Just enough to wake it up. Mac made to the box. Now layer it. Kimchi first, pork belly over the top, gochujang maple for the finish. The fat from the pork belly and the tang from the kimchi cut right through that boxed cheese saltiness. This is the one.
For the kimchi and bacon.
Next, the bowl that'll destroy a white t-shirt. Here's what we're working with. Mac and cheese, Butter and milk. You know the plan. Smoked chuck burnt ends. I will reheat these, of course. Flamin Hot Cheetos, crushed. Fried jalapenos, also crushed. Sour cream, chipotle paste, and lime for the cool down. Chipotle sour cream first. Sour cream, chipotle paste, fresh lime. Whisk together, that's your cold against all the heat coming. Mac made to the box. Smoked chuck burnt ends warming though. Crushed Flamin Hot Cheetos down first. That red layer against the yellow cheese is exactly what you think it is. Smoked chuck burnt ends on top. Crushed fried jalapenos, then a heavy crosshatch of that chipotle sour cream. Crunch, smoke, heat, cool. The chuck burnt ends bring bark and caramelization the box could never get on its own. Four down. Closer is buffalo and blue cheese. Here's what we're working with. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. My all-purpose smokehouse rub. Now this recipe's on the website. It's really delicious, works on everything. Some Crystal hot sauce. Some buffalo sauce. Rogue Creamery, Caveman Blue, cold smoked. Delicious, sharp, it's gonna add a great taste. And some raw celery for the finish. Chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. Smokehouse all-purpose rub, and a brush of Crystal hot sauce. Onto a hot grill, medium-high, cooked to 165 internal. Chop it up, toss it in buffalo sauce. Now the boxed mac. Here's the move. Fold half the Caveman Blue straight into the hot mac. It melts into the cheese sauce, sharp, funky, cold smoked. Portion it out. Buffalo chicken on top. Remaining blue cheese crumbles next. Then the celery, raw, diced right at the end. You want that cold crunch against the warm buffalo mac. That celery has to be raw. Temperature contrast, texture contrast, color contrast. All three show up right at the finish. Buffalo and blue cheese smokehouse style. Five bowls, five completely different directions, all from the same blue box. Which one are you making first? Drop it in the comments. Full recipes at brinnersmokehouse.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later, Gator.